Folks, it's Dub here, and we've got our November survival box, and it kind of came in this very nondescript box, but the label said that's what it was from. I took a quick little sneak peek there just to make sure, and I did see it was the actual contents itself and not a box within a box is what it looked like. So without opening any further, this part here is still taped up. We'll just go from here and open it. So without further ado, this is the survival box's Alpha. November 2019. There we are. And first things first, I got the card right up here up on top. I don't usually take a look at that, but I do hold it up for all of you to take a look at if you'd like to. If you want to pause that, go for it. It does show the various levels that are offered. And again, today we are looking at the Alpha. Alright. So, going off the very top card here, this is card number 46. And this is talking about how to survive a winter night in your car. So it shows a wind chill chart. It's got some other facts there. And on the back of it, it talks about if you become stranded, how to call for help, when to stay in your vehicle, how to weatherize a vehicle, and so on and so forth. So handy bit of information if you live anywhere near snow country or you're planning on going a trip into snow country. All right. So hot hands. Hand warmers, these things are pretty cool if you've used them before, as long as they are not expired and they work well. They do get warm and are helpful to toss into a pocket. They can be underwhelming at times, depending on the brand and exactly how well they work and how cold it is and so on and so forth. But when they are working well, they're awesome. Alright, normally these seem to be later on in the box, but we'll do this now. So this is the seeds. This one's going to be the Golden Acre Cabbage. So a cool little bit. I think this next go around I'll be planting some of these, so we'll see how some of these things turn out for us. All right. So we know what the drinking waters are. There's probably one more in there somewhere, I'm guessing. And those are from Mayday. We've seen those. Mayday and the Mainstay. All right. So let's grab this up here. So this looks like it's from Stand Sport. This is a 3-wick survival candle. Or the facts here, it says up to 18 hours. There's a little asterisk on that though, of course. Emergency essential and 3 wicks. So I think sometimes when they talk about runtime on that, it's probably just 1 wick. But if you use all 3, I mean, I wouldn't quite say you'd be able to cook with it, but you could definitely warm some things. It would be handy to have lighting wise, obviously. Lightweight and compact, burn 1, 2, or 3 wicks for maximum light and heat. Provides up to 18 hours. Sturdy metal case and paraffin wax. So those are great little things to have just in case. Alright, and this looks like a K-bar handle there, and definitely it is K-bar. So this must be some kind of a, obviously, winterized kind of snow pack box, I'm guessing, because that is obviously a ice scraper. If you got the old windshield action, you can't park inside in the garage and whatnot, or if you've got maybe a little ding or crack and you don't want to use the old hot water treatment, you can just use the old scraper right there. That's pretty sturdy. I don't know what just molded plastic that is, but it's got a good bit of a beveled edge there, and it says Lake Effect K-bar. All right, moving along, and we've got what it says is a travel kit here. And there's the contents if you want to take a look at that. Looks like there's so travel kit. By that, I guess they mean it's a first aid travel kit. I'm seeing bandages, ice pack, tweezers, scissors, hand soap, pain relievers, knuckle bandages, antibiotic, exam gloves, those kind of things. That's always great to get, a little repack of that. Some things, go bad. Some of the medicines go bad and such. And it is kind of a pain sometimes to go to the store and buy each individual one of these things in a larger quantity and make a small kit like this. Sometimes getting one of these and being able to pair it, down or pump it up, cool deal. All right, so we got a couple meals here. We've got some hearty tortilla soup. That sounds good. I think I may have gotten that before. And if so, we'll have to try one out now that we have 2. So one backup and one to try. And then we get breakfast items here as well sometimes. Or I guess that could be a dessert, depending on how you want to look at that. But that is apple cinnamon cereal. And apple cinnamon is one of my more appreciated breakfast flavors as far as that kind of thing goes. All right. So this looks like insulation in your vehicle or whatnot, in the doors. I'm not sure what this is. I guess we got a blanket here of some kind. I'm not sure what all this is. Okay, let's see here. It's stuck to the, this is the tape at the bottom of the box. Alright, so that's the last item. And let's see if there's any information on this at all. Alright, this says disaster blanket, 1 each. And it is made from a multitude of other fibers. I would have to assume this is some kind of recycled, because it looks pretty rainbow colorful. Let's see, looking for any additional info to give you. I don't really see any. I mean, the edge is sewn there, so it won't fray, overly bad over time. I'm not sure what it's made out of. It seems to be maybe a cotton poly blend. I'm looking for a tag anywhere in here if I can find one. And I don't see one. So if I end up finding something additional for you, then I will put that into the comments. I'm sure it's on the card, so I will check that out and see what it says to us, so we can get some more information on the blanket. So right now, it's just one giant big blanket. So we'll put that over there. We'll bring the box back here for a recap. So we've got the large blanket we're not putting back in the box quite yet. We've got our 2 meal items, the tortilla soup and the apple cinnamon cereal. We've got our travel kit, which is a bunch of first aid stuff, and that looks like it's pretty handy. And they even have, soap and some safety pins and whatnot in there. All right, our ice scraper, our hand warmer for after using our ice scraper. We've got our seeds we'll have to put in the spring after all this thaws, apparently. Our survival candle, our knowledge card, our what's in the box card, and then this time it looked like there was 3. Usually we get 4 of those. There's 3 of the waters, but that's fine. I'm getting a nice little collection of those. So, all right, folks, this is Dub signing off. I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, hey, we did pass the 555 subscribers, so I will be very, very soon, the next couple of days here, shooting a giveaway video. It's going to be kind of, haven't quite figured it out entirely, but I think I'm going to have 2 boxes, and you get to decide which one you want when you say, that you're in and whatnot. So anyways, be heads up for that coming out soon. And again, Dub signing off. Catch you on the next one.